Thank you for joining in, and for today I am going to show you how to create this easy nighttime scene with the moon. I do have the drawing done first there, and I am actually using Prussian green, but if you don't have this color I would recommend indigo or Prussian blue would be fine. So get all your blue down first, and then when it is dry you can go in with your gold. And I put on about 2.5 to 3 layers of this. And there's a few different options here. I am just using a small Posca pen with the white here for the stars. If you don't have a Posca pen, you can use like a regular white, those jelly roll pens, or you can just use some white gouache. And I decided that I was gonna do some spattering with the gold. So I'm just gonna mix it up here and give a little tap, tap, tap and splash on the background. And then I used just what was left over on the brush, and I did just like a light dusting here and there to add to the artwork a little bit, which I will show in a minute here. And here I came over by a window just so you can see the metallic gold there and how nice and shiny it is. And that is it for today's quick tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and you can leave a comment down below if you're looking for any other subject matter, whether it be like landscapes or florals, something that you would like to see more of on my channel. Let me know. See you next time.